What's up, guys? So today we solve the 32. So it give you two operations, which is the I call it direct sum, and then I call it dot operation. I call it direct direct sum, and I satisfy these properties. So you need to know this is the direct sum is commutative, but dot does not. So the first one, x. Okay, and ask about whether this is the same x and y n. So when this is not correct, because when n equals to 2, we have x direct. The x dot operator y squared, basically the x dot y s dot y dot. But dot is not commutative, so we cannot write it as x dot y dot y. So A is not correct. So for B is correct. This is simple that you can see, because we know that x, so this is commutative, and basically if you times 2, and basically you are just add it twice. But as we say, the x and y are commute, because x direct sum y is y direct sum x. So basically this is x direct sum x direct sum y direct sum y. So this is 2x direct sum 2y. And you can show that when you change it to n, this is the same, just by a mathematical induction. So B is correct. Second is correct. And the third is also correct. The reason is basically just because xm is defined by x dot m. Xn is also x dot to the n times. So basically when you dot them, and you just combine all the strings. So basically it's xm times m. So the answer is the first, second one, and the third one is correct. So we choose D.